Hello friends, எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம் and welcome to my channel. If you are a new viewer, go to subscribe and give bell icon. I expect this video is very helpful to you. Then this video gives the explanation for meaning of budget, definition of budget, classification of budgets, and especially for explanation that cash budget in budgetary control, the management accounting. This is the main subject or main part of management accounting is budgetary control, budget. Already we know that a budget is a quantitative and financial plan of the policies to be pursued in a future period of time. It may be related to sales, production, different components of cost, cash, etc. So the budget is a quantitative statements and financial plan for a particular activity. This is the estimate value or estimation of a particular activities in the firm. It is maybe sales budget or production oriented or production cost budget. The different components of cost categories, it like us the prime cost, factory cost, administrative or selling expenses or selling overheads and cash budgets. So this is the budget. Then definition. According to Chartered Accountant of Management Accountant London, budget is defined as a financial and or quantitative statement prepared prior to a defined period of time of the policy to be pursued during the period for the purpose of attaining a given objectives. So every main aim or every business firm should have own objectives. It is given the quality of the product and more than to earn a profits. Then it is related to the policy making. The budget is a financial or quantitative statements is prepared for a given period of time. It is a future oriented. It is the estimation value of the company's activities. It is known as the budget. Then classification of budgets. Budgets may be classified on the basis of time, flexibility and functions. According to time, on the basis of time span for which the budgets are prepared, budgets may be classified into the following types: long-term budgets, short-term budget and current budget. Long-term budget is 5 to 10 years. Then short-term budget is before 5 years, 1 or 2 years. Then current budget is maybe at the time of any accounting period for the specific activities. On the basis of flexibility, fixed budget, flexible budget. Fixed budget is maybe the prepared for a particular level of activity only. It is a actual level different, but budget is not adjusted. Then flexible budget is budget which is designed in such a way that it may be changed according to the change in the level of activity. It is maybe the any difference between fixed, semi-variable and variable cost is designed to change in relation to the level of activity attained. So this is the fixed and flexible budget. Then classification according to functions: operating budgets, financial budget and master budget. Operating budgets is the operating activities of the concern. Then financial budget is the cash receipts and cash payments of the budget. The next one is master budget. This is the prepared for entire organization of the budget. So this is the example of a cash budget. From the following forecast of cash flow, prepare a cash budget of X, Y, Z limited for the year 2008. So the opening balance of cash on 1/1/2008 5,000, cash sales 25,000, receipts from debtors 40,000, cash purchases 15,000, payment to creditors 18,000, payment of operating expenses 7,000, income from interest and dividend etc. 4,000. So this is the items given for prepare the cash budget. The cash budget is preparation for only cash receipts and cash payments. This is the estimation for that. So how expenses is treated and distribute the available amount. So sufficient cash balance. So the cash budget is provided for precautions or forecast about expenses of cash. So this is the solution for the XYZ Limited cash budget for the year 2008. So total cash receipts we have to find out the A. Then cash receipts is and items are given the problem. Cash sales 25,000, collection from debtors 40,000, dividends and interest received 4,000. Total cash receipts is 69,000. Then cash payments. So what are the expenses should made at that in the business? First one is cash purchases, then payments to creditors, payment of wages, salaries, etc. So these are the cash payments in business concern. Total cash payments is B equal to 40,000. So we have to receive the find out the net cash receipts. A minus B is 69,000 minus 40,000 is 29,000. So added the opening cash balance is 5,000. Sometimes we have to proposed borrowings or proposed payments any withheld is in this business, we have to add or minus. So closing balance is this is the cash budget. So this problems is given the closing balance of cash is 34,000. This is the another example of cash budget. A company wishes to arrange OD facilities with its bankers during the period April to June, when it will be manufacturing mostly for stock. Prepare cash budget for the above period for the following data. So month-wise given the items for sales, purchases, wages. So February, March, April, May, June. So 5 months details are given for preparation of cash budget. The adjustments are given that 50% of credit sales is realized in the month of following the sales. Following the sale is the next month. So forward this is the following or next month. And the other 50% is second month following. So that only the second following is the second month means the following second months. Then creditors are paid in the month following the month of purchase. So first month, for example, January we have to receive the purchases, but we have to paid in the month of February. So February purchases amount paid in the month of March. So next month is the following month. Then wages are paid at the end of respective months. At the respective months, the same. For example, February month is wages are paid at the end of February. The next one is cash at bank 1st April to rupees 25,000. So opening balance of cash is rupees 25,000. This is the problems are given that the preparation of cash budget. This is the solution for preparation of cash budget for a company limited for 3 months of April, May, June. So cash receipts is come into the business. Then collection from debtors 1,60,000. May month 1,50,000. June month 1,41,000. So this is the total cash receipts. Then cash payments to creditors 1 month, so 1,44,000. Then 2,43,000 and 2,00,000 46,000. Then payment of wages at the same month we have to pay. So we have to find out the total cash payments. April month 1,55,000, May month 1,53,000, June month 1,61,000. So we have to find out the net cash receipts. Then opening balance are given. First we have to find out the first month are given. So first month opening balance is 24,000. So total is 56,000. Then April month closing balance is May month opening balance. So already net cash balance is insufficient of cash or minus balance. So 1,03,000 plus 56,000 plus into minus is minus. So 47,000. May month closing balance 47,000 is June month opening balance. So already June month we have the insufficient balance minus 1,20,000. So this month opening balance is minus 47,000. So total minus 1,67,000. Then it is not the proposed borrowings and not proposed payments. So the closing balance are given. Then the decision is overdraft facility required in the month of May is 47,000 because the shortage of rupees 47,000. This is the minus balance. Then in the month of June 1,67,000. Also the June month is insufficient of cash. We have to deal with that. So OD facilities is required in the month of May and June. Okay friends, I hope this video is very helpful to you. If this video is very like to you, and support my channel and give bell icon. Thank you.